This wooden temple in Japan was built 1,300 years ago. Not a single nail holds it together. No screws, no bolts, no metal at all. The roof weighs over 100 tons, and it's still standing. The secret is a 300-year-old technique called Kigumi. Wood is cut to fit into wood. That's it. One piece has a precise groove. Another has an exact protrusion. They slide together and lock. The more weight you put on the joint, the tighter it gets. This is not guesswork. Every angle is calculated. Every surface is planed smooth. The result is stronger than any screw or nail. In fact, engineers tested Kigumi joints against metal fasteners. The wooden joint flexed under pressure, but didn't break. The metal screws snapped. Here's why. Metal is rigid. Wood is alive. It expands and contracts with temperature and humidity. Nails loosen over time. Glue dries out. Screws rust. But wood locked into wood grows tighter. Japanese carpenters spend years learning just 3 joints. Not 100, just 3. They use chisels, mallets, and marking gauges. Every piece is numbered. Every cut is precise. Nothing is wasted. You can learn this too. Start with a simple dovetail joint. 2 pieces of scrap wood, a saw, a chisel, patience. Draw the lines, cut slowly, test the fit, adjust. It won't be perfect the first time, but when it finally clicks, you'll understand why nails feel like cheating. Try it. Build something that lasts longer than you. Subscribe for more woodworking.